They are endless options to prepare smoothies because you can mix almost everything in a blender and take your unique sip. There is a healthier way to organize your breakfast and start the day full of energy. Smoothies are full of fresh fruits and vegetables, and our 12 ideas are an excellent choice for your healthy mornings. These recipes will get your day started right by taking all nutrients you need. You may ask, what is the difference between store-bought options and these smoothies? Well, you will miss all sweeteners and tons of sugar and get only fresh vegetables and fruits full of health benefits. Stay till the end to see the full list and our best idea for a fitness smoothie. Subscribe to our channel so you do not miss any exciting new videos. Press the bell button and always stay well informed. 1. Lemon, apple, and cucumber smoothie. In a round shape, cut cucumber. Add 1 lemon. Cut the green apple into small pieces, and add together with 2 spoons of honey. Take an avocado that is cut into sizable pieces, and add a cup of coconut water. Put everything into a blender, blend to obtain the smoothie. If you prefer it cold, you can add some ice. We love to add a bit parsley for more flavor, so give it a try if you like. 2. Strawberry and banana smoothie. Put 1½ cups of milk in a blender, add 1 banana and cup of strawberries, cover and blend to obtain the juice. For more benefits, use oat milk or any plant-based milk. Enjoy. 3. Banana and blueberry smoothie. Take a small cup of blueberries and 1 banana and put into the blender. Add 2 cups of oat milk, blend to get a smoothie. If you want to drink it cold, just add some ice. 4. Green apple, banana, and spinach smoothie. Put together 2 cups of spinach and a cup of plant-based milk and blend. After that, open the blender, add some banana pieces, 2 green apples, and a small Greek yogurt cup. Blend and enjoy the smoothie. 5. Chocolate banana smoothie. Put a cup of water, yogurt, or milk into the blender. Then add chocolate protein powder, 1 spoon peanut butter, a cup of frozen bananas, some dark cocoa powder, and blend. Enjoy. 6. Beetroot smoothie. Put a small cup of strawberries, 1 beetroot, you can use boiled or raw beets, and a cup of lettuce in a blender, add a small piece of ginger. In the end add 2 cups of water or yogurt. Blend and produce a smoothie. 7. Pineapple and mango smoothie. Take 1 cup of milk 250 milliliters, add a Greek yogurt cup, pieces of 1 mango, 1 cup of pineapple and orange, and blend. Enjoy. 8. Protein and orange smoothie. Take cup of water, milk or yogurt, add vanilla protein powder, pieces of 2 oranges, and blend. Enjoy your orange smoothie. Simple and delicious. 9. Vanilla berry smoothie. Take milk, yogurt, or water, add pieces of frozen strawberries, blackberries, and raspberries. Also, add a cup of vanilla protein powder and blend to get the juice. The taste is fantastic. 10. Orange smoothie. Put pieces of 1 mango, 1 orange, and 2 carrots. Add 2 cups of any plant-based milk and 1 scoop vanilla protein powder. Blend and enjoy. 11. Fresh green smoothie. Pour a cup of coconut milk, add a cup of spinach, and blend. Then, add pieces of mango, add a cup of vanilla protein powder, 1 cup of pineapple, and 1 teaspoon of moringa powder. Mix to obtain a green smoothie. 12. Fitness smoothie. Take 1 banana, 100 grams soak organic oats, 1 teaspoon of chia seeds and 1 tablespoon of goji berry, 1 cup chocolate protein powder, and 1 spoon of peanut butter. Add 150 milliliter water or any plant-based milk. Blend and enjoy. Which one is your favorite smoothie recipe? You can share your favorite recipe with your friends and add it in the comment section.